Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a creamy chicken mushroom rice casserole. And I think this is going to be a good little meal that me and Callum's going to have tonight. It's one day before Valentine's Day, but this will probably be our little Valentine's meal today. And I already have my rice prepared and my mushrooms cut up, so let me go over here and brown my chicken. Now I'm going to season my chicken. I've already got some garlic powder on it, so now I'm going to put some salt. And you can do this to taste. I've got about probably 3 tablespoons of oil in my pan. Also, before you put your chicken in the pan, you might want to pat it dry a little bit. I didn't do that step. Okay, I'm going to turn it over and put my seasonings on the other side and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Now it smells really good. My chicken tenders are done now, so I'm going to take them out of the pan, put them on the cutting board. Okay, now I'm going to put my mushrooms in. Now I'm going to put some garlic powder on. Some black pepper. And salt. I'm going to saute these up. I didn't put all of the mushrooms in. that the recipe required because Calvin is not that fond of mushrooms. I have my mushrooms sauteed now, so I'm just going to add them into my rice. Okay, I'm going to slice my chicken now. Alright, I've just about got my chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. So now I'm going to be adding in my 1 cup chicken broth. And my 1/2 cup of whipping cream. Now I'm going to be making my slurry to go in this. I'm adding my cornstarch. Put this in. And I'm going to be putting in my thyme. And bring this up to a simmer. And add a little salt. And black pepper. Okay, this is coming up to a simmer now, so I'm going to add it into my casserole. I'm going to be adding about a cup of Italian style cheese. Let's stir this all up. Put it in my casserole dish. Cheese on top, the rest of it. Okay, I have my casserole assembled now, so I'm going to cook it for 18 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll be back when my casserole's done. Okay. My casserole is done. And when it cools, I'll plate me and Calvin up plate and show it to you. Okay, my casserole has cooled off now, so I'm going to plate us up, plate and do the taste test. And Calvin wanted me to tell everyone that while we were filming, we may have lost some of the footage while we were filming, and I noticed when I looked up at the camera that there was steam on the lens, and so I could tell that it wasn't going right with that part. So anyway, I'm going to do the taste test now. That is good. Let me get some chicken. I don't want that big of a piece. That piece right here. Okay, that was really good. And what we're having with the rest of our meal, we're having green beans, and for dessert, we're also going to be having the rest of not the rest, but a piece of the Shirley Temple cake for dessert. So, y'all do what you love and love what you do. And bye. And I hope it's prettier where you're at today than it is here. It's rainy and gloomy today in Georgia. But I hope it's sunshiny wherever you are. So bye. Okay, this is my creamy chicken mushroom rice casserole, garlic bread and green beans, and Shirley Temple cake. And this is my Valentine's meal that I prepared for Calvin for Valentine's Day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.